Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the chemical properties of phenol. In the previous class, we already studied the method of preparation of phenol and its physical property and the relative strength of different type of phenol. Now, I discuss about the chemical properties of phenol. Chemical properties of phenol. I already told you in the previous that all the method of preparation and property I can explain you in the diagrammatically way. First one is phenol. What is phenol? When phenol treated with zinc dust, when phenol treated with zinc dust, then benzene is formed. When phenol treated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, then aniline is formed along with water. Aniline. Similarly, when phenol treated with sodium, then sodium phenoxide is formed. Again, when phenol treated with bromine in CS2, when phenol treated with bromine in CS2 at a low temperature, then phenol treated with bromine in CS2 at low temperature, then 2-bromophenol and 4-bromophenol is formed. Here, when phenol treated with which of the reagent, then ortho and para isomeristic product are formed, because in phenol benzene ring attached with OH, which is an electron donating group. So outcoming electrophile will attach with the ortho position and para position. So two isomeric products are formed. Similarly, when phenol treated with bromine in excess, or it is to solution, then then 2,4,6 tribromo, then 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. In the examination point of view, there is a two question arises where it is either conversion or it is a chemical property or identify ABCD. When phenol treated with Br2, these are two the most important reactions. When phenol treated with Br2, then two isomeric products are formed. But when phenol treated with excess of bromine, then 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. Similarly, I repeat this again. When phenol treated with zinc dust, then benzene is formed. And when phenol treated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, then aniline is formed. It is also another method of preparation of aniline or conversion. In examination question arises, convert phenol to aniline. Similarly, when phenol treated with sodium, then sodium phenoxide is formed. When phenol treated with bromine in CH at low temperature, then 2 bromophenol and 4 bromophenol are formed. Similarly, when phenol treated with bromine in excess or solution, then 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. Then another property. Similarly, when phenol treated with methyl chloride, then 2 isomeric products are formed. It is also undergo or called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. It is a similar type of reaction as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Similarly, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction CH3COCl, when phenol treated with acetyl chloride, then 2 isomeric product also formed. That is called 2-hydroxy acetophenone, 4-hydroxy acetophenone. Similarly, when phenol undergoes nitration, nitration means in presence of dilute HNO3, then also 2 isomeric products are formed. Similarly, sulfonation, when phenol treated with H2SO4, also 2 isomeric products are formed. 2-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid plus 4-hydroxy, that is 2-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid and 4-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. I repeat this again. When phenol treated with methyl chloride CH3Cl, then 2 isomeric products are formed. One is ortho product and another is para product. Similarly, when phenol treated with acetyl chloride, then 2 isomeric products also formed. One is ortho product and another is para product. One is 2-hydroxy acetophenone and another is 4-hydroxy acetophenone. Similarly, when phenol treated with dilute HNO3, then 2 isomeric products also formed. And when phenol undergoes sulfonation reaction, also 2-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid and 4-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Or it is one trick carried out that when phenol treated with any one of the reagent, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction in various cases, because when a benzene ring contains an electron donating group, then the upcoming electrophile will attach at the ortho position or para position. I repeat this again. When benzene ring contains an electron donating group like OH, CH3, etc., then the upcoming electrophile will attach at the ortho position and para position. This is called these groups are called ortho-para directing group. Ortho-para directing group. Also, it is called ring activating group. Then we proceed the next. I erase now. Phenol also carry another chemical property when phenol treated with BDC. When phenol treated with BDC, then para hydroxy azobenzene is formed. Then para hydroxy azobenzene is formed. It is also another property of BDC, also seen the chemical properties of phenol. When phenol treated with BDC, then para hydroxy azobenzene is formed. Also in the chapter benzene diazoxide chloride, it is also one property of BDC. When BDC treated with phenol, then para hydroxy azobenzene is formed. It is also called coupling reaction. It is also called coupling reaction. Also, when phenol treated with CHCl3 plus KOH, then salicylaldehyde. When phenol treated with chloroform or CHCl3 in presence of KOH, then salicylaldehyde is formed or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde plus orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is formed. Also it is called salicylaldehyde. In overall it is called salicylaldehyde is formed. It is also known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. It is also called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Another most important reaction of phenol, that when phenol treated with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, when phenol treated with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, then then 2,4,6 trinitro 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. Then 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. In the for facing the difficulty in the examination for the student, the two important reactions there. When phenol treated with dilute HNO3, then two isomeric products are formed. But when phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4, then 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. Also, one important property of phenol, that when phenol undergoes reduction, in presence of nickel catalyst, then cyclohexanol is formed. Because in reduction reaction, hydrogen added across the double bond and it becomes converted to single bond. So when phenol treated or undergoes reduction in presence of nickel catalyst, then cyclohexanol is formed. This is all about the chemical properties of phenol. I can repeat that when phenol treated with BDC, then para-hydroxy isobenzene is formed. This is also important name reaction, that is coupling reaction. When phenol treated with CHCl3 and KOH, then salicylaldehyde is formed. This reaction is called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. When phenol undergoes reduction in presence of nickel catalyst, then cyclohexanol is formed. Similarly, when phenol treated with CH3Cl, then two isomeric products are formed, that is called orthocresol and paracresol. Orthocresol and paracresol. Similarly, when phenol treated with acetyl chloride, then 2-hydroxyestophenol and 4-hydroxyestophenol is formed. And when phenol treated with dilute HNO3, then 2 isomeric products are formed. When phenol treated with H2SO4, then 2 isomeric products is formed. The mechanism behind that is when benzene ring contain an electron donating group, the upcoming electrophile will attach to the ortho position and another is para position. Thank you.